Welcome to TStories, where we decode ancient wisdom to elevate your modern life. In today's episode, we will explore how samurai principles can enrich your work ethic. If you're seeking a robust, honorable approach to your profession, this is the video for you. You're going to learn about concepts like Bushido, discipline, teamwork, and much more. So sit tight and get ready for an enlightening journey through time. This video will offer you valuable takeaways that can be applied instantly to your work life. From the freelancers to the executives watching this, there's something here for everyone. We have also sourced insightful quotes from historical Japanese figures to enrich our discussion. Make sure to watch till the end for a complete understanding. And as always, if you find our content valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The concept of Bushido, or the way of the warrior, outlines the moral code of the samurai. Think of it as a blend of chivalry and martial arts. It includes virtues like courage, loyalty, and respect. Nitobe Inazo, in his book Bushido, the Soul of Japan, describes these virtues extensively. Can you imagine applying such a strong ethical framework to your workplace? It could transform how you approach tasks and colleagues. Courage, for instance, can empower you to take on challenging projects. Loyalty ensures that you're aligned with your company's mission. And respect allows for a harmonious work environment. Indeed, the Bushido approach could revolutionize your work ethic. Miyamoto Musashi, a legendary samurai, said, "Do nothing which is of no use." This quote comes from his work, The Book of Five Rings, a text on martial arts and strategy. In the workplace, discipline is paramount. Avoid distractions like excessive social media browsing. Stick to tasks that align with your role and goals. Prioritize projects based on deadlines and significance. Manage your time effectively, always remembering Musashi's words. Achieving such discipline can improve your efficiency and make you indispensable to your team. The concept of Kaizen, or continuous improvement, is deeply rooted in Japanese culture. Soichiro Honda, the founder of Honda Motor Company, once said, "Success is 99% failure." He expressed this in interviews and public speeches, highlighting the importance of learning from setbacks. Imagine embracing every mistake at work as a lesson. Instead of dreading feedback, you'd seek it. You'd voluntarily take on challenging roles to grow. Your end-of-year review would become a treasure trove of self-improvement points. Every day at work becomes an opportunity to be better than yesterday. Suzuki, a renowned Zen scholar, remarked, "The idea of Zen is to catch life as it flows." This quote is derived from his many writings on Zen Buddhism. Mindfulness in the workplace is akin to this flowing state of mind. It means being fully absorbed in your current task, minimizing multitasking. Whether you're in a meeting or writing a report, give it your undivided attention. This level of focus can significantly improve the quality of your work. When you're entirely present, even a routine job becomes a masterpiece of effort and skill. The Japanese proverb, "None of us is as smart as all of us," encapsulates the power of collective wisdom. This saying is widely cited in discussions on teamwork and collective intelligence. Consider your workplace as a field where collective effort reaps the best rewards. Acknowledge the skills of your colleagues and learn how to harmoniously combine them with yours. Effective teamwork enhances productivity, reduces work-related stress, and leads to more creative solutions. Just as a samurai trusted his fellow warriors, trust your teammates for a harmonious and productive work environment. The samurai were taught to make decisions within the span of 7 breaths, a practice detailed in many historic accounts. In today's fast-paced work environment, swift decision-making is crucial. Of course, this doesn't mean rushing into things recklessly. Take a few moments to assess the situation, consider the pros and cons, and then act decisively. This principle can be particularly useful in high-stress jobs that require immediate decisions. It encourages a balance between impulsiveness and procrastination, leading to more effective outcomes. Confucius, whose teachings were influential in Japan, emphasized, "It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop." This quote can be found in various compilations of his Analects. Work-life balance is not about rushing through tasks to have free time. It's about maintaining a sustainable pace. Prioritize your responsibilities, but also allocate time for relaxation. Take short breaks during work to clear your mind. Such a balanced approach not only enhances productivity but also improves overall well-being. In today's video, we've seen how the age-old wisdom of the samurai can provide invaluable lessons for our modern work ethic. We've covered discipline, continuous improvement, mindfulness, teamwork, decision-making, and work-life balance. These principles are not mere theoretical constructs, but actionable advice you can incorporate into your daily work life. This fusion of ancient samurai wisdom and modern professional demands could be the game changer you've been seeking. So why not give it a try? If this video has given you new perspectives on work ethic, please hit the like button. Your likes and shares help us reach more people who could benefit from this ancient wisdom. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to TStories. We have a lot more enlightening content in store for you. Click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest releases. Until next time, cultivate your inner samurai.